First we had a windstorm on Thursday night, and then we had a few inches of snow, probably 5 to 8 inches throughout the metro area. And it's really tough on the trees with the wind and then the snow weight, especially on damaged or compromised trees.
3:30 in the morning was a wake-up call. You know, it sounded like the next war. And then it just sheared off. And we were very fortunate in terms of where it came down.
We're going to take pretty much a whole elm tree off the top of a customer's home.
Let's see if we can secure it off back up to this locust.
Take it slow, safety first, and make the customer happy.
I'm watching and hoping.
I'll climb up, put my friction saver up there, then rappel down onto the roof, set of chokers, and then the crane man has it from there.
We are at Crown Hill Cemetery. There were 95-mile-per-hour winds coming through some of the areas, and it blew some of these older trees down because spruce trees have shallow root systems. And if you look around, you might see some of the other spruce trees leaning over. They're about to go too.
Like I said, we're just here trying to clean it up and get it all stacked so the grapple can come pick it up.
Bring the tree all the way out.
Just to make sure the balance was right on it so that it would pick straight off of the roof and not do any additional damage.
Lay it right here in the road.
Looking good, looking good.
The crane operator has a computer inside his truck that can tell us exactly what the piece weighed. And it was just a touch over 6,000 pounds.
We can cut it up, chip what we can, and then our grapple truck, Matt Dillon, 30-some years here at Swingle, he'll be by and pick up all the big wood.
Well, they're the best. They helped us out with some elm beetle, and they're very good.
That was textbook. It couldn't have gone any better.